Friends, let us make Ragi Challa punugulu. This is a gully food which I like the most. Required ingredients are Ashirwad Aata, Ashirwad Ragi flour, Ashirwad iodized salt, baking or cooking soda, curd, and oil for deep frying. Take a bowl, add curd to it. If it is sour curd, it will be very tasty. Even it is not, we can keep the curd outside for 15 to 20 minutes. Mix baking soda with it and whisk it with a whisker. Now I am adding iodized salt to it. I am using Ashirwad iodized salt, which is very healthy. All Ashirwad products are very healthy and they are very much useful for healthy family and healthy life. I am mixing it with mixer. And now add 2 cups of ragi flour to the curd mixture. Ragi is rich in iron and calcium. If we eat ragi in any way, then it will be very much helpful for our strength. And this is the 2nd cup of ragi flour, and I am mixing it with a mixer. With ragi we can make many things, and now today I am making challa punugulu also. Now this is Ashirwad Aata. I took 1 cup of Ashirwad Aata. Ashirwad Aata is tasty and healthy. Here I am taking sugar-free Ashirwad Aata. Even for diabetic patients also it is very much useful and helpful. So we can eat it. 1 cup of rice flour. Mix it with a mixer. If you want, we can add some curd. Not water. We should not add water. We have to add only curd. How here the batter, we have to beat the batter very much. How much we beat, that crispiness will be there in the final result. Because I am using all ingredients which are healthy, it will be very light for the stomach, and even everyone can eat. Diabetic patients, kids, everyone can eat. I am adding jeera also because it will help us in digestion. See, I have added jeera also so that it will be helpful for the digestion. After mixing all the ingredients, I added some curd so that the consistency will be very much soft. See, you can see in the video, this is the consistency which is needed for challa punugulu. Now I took a deep fry pan and I am adding 1 by 1 balls. This is the best part, See, if we do, I haven't edited because see, this is a very good thing. Cooking is very good thing, and cooking something like this is absolutely heart-warming. Seriously, a lot of satisfaction will come because it is completely healthy. Ragi flour, atta flour, that too sugar-free atta flour, Ashirwad iodized salt, everything is definitely useful for everyone. Means from kids to elders, everyone can eat because we used all these diabetic patients. I had used just 1 cup of rice flour so that there is no problem even for the diabetic patients also. Deep fry all the batter and we are ready to go. We can eat it with onion chutney, we can eat it with tomato chutney, we can eat it with peanut chutney. That is based upon our interest.